Hey everybody, it's Ron again, and I'm here today to ask the question, what the heck is a Toyota Kata? Well, a Toyota Kata is not a motorcycle. It's not a car. It's not a four-wheeler. None of those things. A Toyota Kata is a management tool that evolved in Japan in the Toyota Corporation at the end of World War II. A Toyota Kata is kind of based on the Japanese term kata. The term kata is a choreographed, disciplined set of moves in martial arts that students go through to learn and build muscle memory for a certain set of moves. And in the Toyota Kata world, we're going to learn some moves that may seem awkward at first, but as we practice those moves, those techniques, we're going to become more familiar with them, and eventually they'll be just like riding a bicycle. Now, most of us learn to ride a bicycle or water ski or something else like that, roller skate, ice skate, snow ski, of all things. Those are things that feel awkward at first. Those are physical things that we do that feel awkward at first, but eventually, if we practice a little while, we'll get the hang of it, and then we've got it. Now, like riding a bicycle, I haven't ridden a bicycle in probably years, but I could go get on a bicycle right now and be just fine. But the first time I got on a bicycle, in fact, the first week or two that I was trying to learn to ride a bicycle when I was a kid, that took some doing because it was awkward. I didn't have the balance. It didn't feel right. I fell down. I made mistakes and all those kind of things. And this kata exercise, the exercises we have in Toyota Kata, are designed to help us learn the moves and get over that awkwardness that we don't quite understand at first until we get it set and get our sense of balance. So the first part of Toyota Kata and is called the coaching kata. The coaching kata is something that we in the U.S. may be pretty familiar with if you've worked in industry for very long or any kind of a large organization. The coaching kata and Toyota Kata is the same as the GROW or GROW model for coaching and for coaching employees that we have used in the United States since the mid-1980s. So that part is exactly the same as what we would use in the Toyota model. So it's just simply a four-part process, a four-step process that we use to work with employees in terms of being a coach instead of being in a command and control system. Then we come to the second part of Toyota Kata. There's two parts. The first being the coaching model, the coaching kata that I just mentioned. Do this again. Part two of the process is called the improvement kata. The improvement kata is a problem-solving or goal-reaching kata or set of steps that results in identifying improvements and solving problems. So when you take these two things together, you take the coaching kata, and in the coaching kata there are some places there where you assign goals, or the employee has goals, and that's the coaching kata is a process that sets up those goals and follows up on them. The improvement kata is a tool that the employee uses to solve problems or reach goals. And together these two things, when they mesh together, that is called Toyota Kata. It is a very simple but structured system that results in continuous improvement. And if we choose specific goals or conditions that we want to target, we can produce a continuous stream of improvements in productivity, in safety, employee retention, profitability, or any other metric that we choose to use. And it's a proven system. It's a way that developed and the way it's done in Toyota, and I think when you learn a little more about it, you'll understand it. But it is a Kata thing. There are steps, and to use it, we in the U.S. are going to feel a little awkward with it, but many major corporations use this because it is extremely effective in bringing about this continuous set of improvements. So in part 2 of these series, I'm going to go into the coaching Kata a little deeper, go through each of the steps and talk about what they are and kind of talk about how they work. And then in part 3, we're going to do a deeper dive into the improvement Kata and look at it and kind of see what the steps are and how those work. So I look forward to having y'all watch these other videos. So you guys go out and you be safe and be profitable. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.